Hello, Chestatee families. I'm Meg Killingsworth, your Family Engagement Coordinator. Welcome to the Facebook Friday Show. Today we are talking all about a big event coming up, which is Open House. And that is this coming Tuesday, July 31st from 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock. So I've got some guests here that want to share a little bit about some of the tables that you will see in the cafeteria on Tuesday. Just know that's a great day to come and meet your child's teacher. You'll have some forms that you'll fill out, and you can visit the cafeteria for all your needs. We're going to have the nurse in there, bus transportation, Care for Kids, our after-school program, along with many, many others. And I've got Deb Mason here, who is our cafeteria manager, and she'll be in there with lunch questions. So, Miss Deb, welcome.
Hello. Nice to be here.
Yeah, I know one of the questions that a lot of families have are lunch prices.
Yes.
So tell us the prices this coming year for lunch and breakfast.
Lunch and breakfast. Breakfast is $1.50 a day, and lunch is $2.60 a day.
Okay, and there are lots of different ways that parents can pay.
Yes. My Payments Plus, you can go online and pay there. You can pay with cash or a check. Just put it in an envelope marked with your child's name and teacher, and the teacher will send it to the cafeteria in the morning.
You got it, and the envelope's so great, or even a baggie.
A baggie, plastic baggie, works just fine.
Wonderful, and there will be a handout for My Payments Plus, is that correct, in the cafeteria?
Yes, a welcome letter.
Okay, with all the information of how to get you signed up, you can use your credit card then to pay for lunches.
Online, yes.
But on the website, it's on the right-hand side of the website where it'll say My Payments Plus, and you can go and check it out even before open house. And then we will have help for free and reduced lunches if your family is in need. Just know that if you think you qualify, you can get all signed up, and you can even do that at open house. And free and reduced lunch might be beneficial to your family. It's actually beneficial to our school when families qualify too, because we get some extra funding. So we will have computers set up. Where will that be at open house, Ms. Deb?
In the very corner of the cafeteria, we'll have a privacy booth for you. I'll have 3 or 4 laptops in there, and we'll have people there to help you.
Yeah, absolutely. And throughout the year, if you're not able to get there at open house, you can always stop by and see me in the family resource room, and I would love to help you too with that. So lots of great things going on at open house for our meal programs. And then, if you are wanting to volunteer, do we have options for you?
Yes, thank you so much. I'm Sarah Wiggins, and I'm the media specialist here, and I am part of the volunteer committee. We also have Denise Kavanaugh, who's our parent liaison, who's part of the volunteer committee, and then Miss Killingsworth rounds us out. And so we are here to tell you all the different ways that you can get plugged in here at Chestatee. We love our parent volunteers. We will be the first to tell you that we cannot do our jobs without you. And really, I keep saying parents, but you know what? It's so much more than parents. It's families. We have people who live in the community who don't even have children who go here whatsoever, and they come and they volunteer on a regular basis. So there's lots of ways that you can get plugged in. So we're going to tell you a couple, but you know what? If your mind starts churning and you think of something on your own, just let us know, because there might be things that we've never thought of in ways that you can get plugged in. So here's a couple of ways. First of all, teachers, for the most part, they love classroom volunteers. No matter what, every single teacher will need that room mom or room dad. You're welcome to do it too, dads. So they're going to need that point person in the classroom to help them. Also, we have a program here called Chestatee Champs, and Ms. Killingsworth is over that, and they kind of go into classrooms and help with some of the academic things that go on in the classroom. This year, we're so excited. Ms. Johnson, our new science and technology teacher, she is going to be doing outdoor classrooms, and she really wants some people to come. So this does not have to be parents. If you live in the community and you can just stop by and help pull some weeds, I'm sure that she would love for you to come and help with that. Of course, right here in the Media Center, I need people every single day, all day long. So my doors are always open for whatever time you can give me. Last year we started a new initiative of our school store, and Denise helped volunteer for the school store. We need parents who can come and help children shop. If you are a shopper, this is the thing for you, because you can help children figure out how to spend their Bravo bucks and if they need to save it or spend it or what's the best thing to do. We also have a program called Watchdog Dads, and we're going to make that available for you to sign up, but there's a whole section, separate thing that someone will actually get in touch with you later. We are not over Watchdog Dads, we're just going to kind of help get you plugged in there. And then also, of course, PTO. We have so many PTO events, and our PTO is nothing but volunteers. So we want you to get plugged in at all of those different events. And then finally, we really have a need for mentors in our school, in every school. We would love for you to get involved with a child or several children and just come and mentor them throughout the course of the day. So we are going to have a table set up where you can come and you can sign up. So where will that table be?
It's going to be in the cafeteria at Open House, and it's going to have a big banner. You can just come in and see us, and we'll both be sitting there waiting for you to come and offer. You can come and volunteer, and if you are not able to sign up and do anything on Tuesday, at any course of the time of the year, you're more than welcome to come into the Media Center or come see Meg in the Parent Resource Center and sign up at any time. If your schedule changes, or you come up with an idea, or you're a different thing that you want to do at a different time, we're more than happy to have you come in and help.
We love our volunteers, like I said, and some of the events will actually go out via Sign Up Genius. So if you don't get a chance to come and sign up, we're going to be sending out a lot of things. For instance, the book fair that we run here. I'll send that to every parent via email, and you can actually go on and you can sign up to just, if you can give 30 minutes or an hour or whatever your schedule can give. We want you to come and be in the building. The more adults that we can have that help just really be a part of our program just makes the school a better place, and it makes for students to be so much more open to those adults too. So we hope that you'll come and see us at Open House at our volunteer table.
Yes.
You've got it. Lots of great information. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are back, and we as a staff cannot wait to see you Tuesday at Open House between 3 and 7. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye.